Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is a really great low budget wonder. It's a great little modification to a classic roll fold. I think you're gonna like this. This could also go in an envelope or self-mail, so it's really versatile. This was designed by Scotta Minotti for an event by Scotta Minotti. It's one of their roundtable workshops. This was number 15, so they were hosting it on a cruise. And I love just the imagery. The cruise is actually going to Cuba. So they've got the cruise ship, has a raised gloss digital coating on there. So it's got a real pop and shimmer, clean color. It opens up. I love that they use this little flap for a scene from Havana. It says, "Welcome to Havana." And then it just rolls down. So it's really nice vertical orientation, draws your eye down to hit all the different information and benefits, and you can see that there's that nice pop of the raised gloss digital here and there that also just looks and feels really nice. These were digitally printed on a Canon C750, and then they were coated with the raised clear gloss. Paper is 100-pound silk cover, and these were printed by Northern Ohio Printing, by the way. But what I love about this is that this piece drew almost 3 times the normal number of registrants for their other 14 workshop events. So this really did well. Just a great low budget wonder. They did about 500 of them for under $1,500. So great little format to keep in your back pocket. And this also, by the way, did have a digital element. There was an email campaign as well as a landing page. So really nice, well-rounded campaign that really netted out some results. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Vertical roll fold with short trim cover. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I want to send you free stuff, visit Foldfactory.com for folded samples, style lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.